Hi everyone. Today we will talk about Lithuanian universities, and after that we will have another video. So each video we will make in one country, and today we will talk about for Lithuanian universities which departments we are selecting them, and we will try to give some brief, and we will talk about public and private ones. First, I would like to start it with Vilnus University, one of the best university in our portfolio. So they established in 1579. So they have a medical school, and they have business school. So I will talk about more, and then I will finish by Kauno Technical University. It is the for engineering. It is the another one of the best university in our portfolio, whole portfolio, I can say. So I will talk you about first bachelor degrees, or which degrees we have here. First of all, I would like to start medical university. They have a medicine school, dentistry, medicine, and nursing. And another one, business school, are really, really good. I mean, nowadays, it's very popular in the UK that the business schools have their own completely different buildings. For example, Essex has a business school. They call it Essex Business School. So they have different building, different mentality. So they look like much more like a the startup buildings, these workstations, workplaces, something like that. So it's and Vilnius has the same. It's a really business school is very nice, and of course, these some economics and business schools are the some faculties are there too. So here you can see that you have a different range from medical to business, and also they have some, especially on physics. Lithuania is good, especially light engineering and laser technology. So that's why we have light engineering here, politics, economics, software engineering, and of course philology is very popular. They have the one faculty of philology, different kind of philologies they can study. Okay, but first, when we say Vilnius, we in our mind it's dentistry, medicine, and nursing, and then business school and economics, and the others. So let's see some other departments and the prices. And I would like to tell you that in Lithuania, the deadlines are early. So 1st of May, for example, for Vilnus University, 1st of June for some of the universities, and 15th of June for some of the universities. So the deadline are too early for when we discuss with our admissions, because the school starts on September. In Latvia and Lithuania, school starts on September. So you see that for international students, it's 1st of May. For European students, it's 1st of July. So even for European students, it is very early. So, and if you don't have any problem and if you can travel, like some of the countries in Europe, like Albania, and some of the visa waiver countries in South America, so they have right to come, or green passports holder from Turkey, so they can come and travel for 90 days without visa. In that case, they can make it flexible on the deadlines, but of course, for each case, we need to ask. Okay, so let's see international business. As I told, that's really convenience. That's very nice faculty, and they have a good building there. And the price is almost 4,000 euro, and it's a public university. So of course they have to check your GPA, and there are always videos on the department side, but I will not watch all videos. So I would like to just show you the price and the faculty. Okay, so this starts on 1st of September, and the Vilnius campus, and the price is 4,000 euro. Here the department is accounting and audit. So if they wanna do this accounting, so this is good, and the price is 3,660 at Vilnus campus. Economics and finance, again, same price, everything is the same. And let's talk about medical. So medical university is, medicine is 6 years education, and at Vilnius, and the price is 13,000 euro. So actually, again, in our portfolio, we can tell that it is the one of the affordable one, and with the quality and with the historical of the university. So we can say that because of that, these features, that this is the one of our best university in our portfolio. And dentistry, it's 5 years, as usually in European dentistries are 5 years, and the price is 14,000 euro. And entering for medical studies and dentistry is with you need to enter the interview. First of all, you need to send your documents, and your GPA is important on that case. And for each country, there are for different requirements. So we are sharing the documents, and if they accept it, then you register, and then you enter the interview. They will arrange interviews. And nursing is 5,000 euro. It's really convenient price. And philology is 4,000. This is generally for the departments 4,108. I don't know how they get that price, but this is the price. Software engineering 4,560, and this is in different campus. It's in Sialioya. It's not in Vilnius or Kaunas. And light engineering, this is 4,600, and it's at Vilnius. And these were the bachelor, the sample one. And I would like to talk about master programs too. So they have in business school deep tech entrepreneurship, digital marketing, international project management, sustainable finance and investment, international communication, nanochemistry and entrepreneurship, pharmaceutical chemistry, geology. So business and admission here, they can do it online. FinData, HR management online, international European and law. This is one of the rare departments that we can find. So if you have a students who finished law in your country, they can come and study for master degree. So for European law, it's a general one. So they could, if they would like to improve for the future in these areas, of course. And in IT, computer modeling, data science, informatics, mathematics, software engineering, and like that. And for in medical medicine, system biology for master, English studies, Russian studies, chemical physics, laser technology, laser physics and optical technology. These are for master, electronics and telecommunication technologies, phonetics and nanotechnology. So as I told, physics is completely different area. Eastern European Russian studies, art management, for example, this is the one of the rare departments that we can find. Biochemistry, genetics, molecular biology, molecular biotechnology. So genetics are one of the popular departments, neurobiology, natural system management, social work. So these are the 4 master degrees, okay? So I don't know that if I open this molecular biology, genetics, okay. So this is 1.5 years, 6,500 euro per year, and it's on Vilnus. Okay. Genetics, again 6,500, 2 years genetics. Deep tech entrepreneurship, 1.5 years, so the price is almost 6,000. International project management, almost 6,000 and 1.5 years. Sustainable finance and investment, the same. FinData is the same. Marketing and integrated communication is 1.5 years or 2 years, depending on the area, I think. This is the law, international law. This is 1.5 years, and the price is 4,500 euro at Vilnus. Art management is almost 5,000 and 1.5 years. Software engineering, it is 2 years full-time, 3 years part-time. Maybe this part-time is not an option for the students, international students. And philology, 5,500. Which campus? Vilnus, okay. Physics, Vilnus, 2 years, 6,100. Molecular biology, and that's all. So these are the universities that we can find in Vilnius. So for Vilnius, it could be a priority. Another university about health science, the Lithuanian University of Health Science. So historically, it started on 1922, and then it's come to do, now it's the name changed. So this very historical one. And they have different programs, but all related with health. So for integrated programs, we call it, if they are medical and, you know, the 6 years, 5 years diplomas, they generally call it integrated one. So medicine, veterinary medicine, pharmacy, and odontology. It's actually dentistry. For veterinary medicine, it's not easy to find everywhere. So this is another advantage of that university. And for bachelor programs, we have nursing, occupational therapy, physiotherapy, health psychology, dental hygiene, medical and veterinary biochemistry, and medical and veterinary genetics. For master degrees, these are the departments that you see on the screen: food science, animal science, and etc. Okay. Let's talk about the medicine for the university, that university. And it's 6 years, and the price is 12,600 for the first 3 years, and then 13,100. So you can see that 13,100. And veterinary, as I told, veterinary is not easy to find everywhere. It's 9,000. We can say then 10,000 because this is the average, and it's 6 years. So it's English, of course. The programs, all programs that I'm talking about, are all English. Nursing, it's 4 years and 4,300 euro. So if you study nursing, medicine, dentistry, so, and if you want to work in Europe, then you need to learn the language that which country that you want to move. Okay, if you want to move Germany, during your study, you need to learn German language. And when you go there, it takes about 6 months. You need to pass one exam. But if you study medicine in Germany, still you enter that exam too. So if you are just graduated and you need to prove that you really know the things, then you could be a doctor or nurse or dentist in Germany, for example, or different countries. But for the mainly if the students come to study in Europe, they go to the Germany to be a doctor. They get paid better than these countries that they study. Physiotherapy is 4,100 and 4 years. And actually in Poland, physiotherapists are very popular and they earn good money. I mean, there is a lot of private physiotherapists and they are making good business. Pharmacists, they have pharmacy for 5 years. It's 5,600 euro. But the pharmacists, it's tricky if they want to study in Europe. So it is better if they practice in their own country. But they have to check that in their country how the regulations are. Odontology, it's a dentistry. It's 5 years and it's almost 14,000 euro. It's master degrees we have, laboratory medicine biology. So this is almost 7,000 euro. And we have clinical health psychology. It is 6,000 euro. It's 2 years. Okay, this is the faculties that health university provide. Now I will talk, these are all publics one. Now I will talk about one private school. This is Vilnus Business College. The location is, I will run the video and by this time I will talk. Yeah, So the university based on business area. These are all different companies, big, huge companies there, and they have that ground floor. And they, as you see, that everything is new, and the classrooms are new and enough for the students. And they teach many different programs. I will show you about the what they are offering, and the prices are acceptable. So difference with college and university in Lithuania is the college is prepared for market. Okay, after you graduate, you go directly to do the business, and universities are much more academic. But if you want to do, you know, the thesis and master and PhD, universities are the best. But if you want to just start to work as soon as possible and to prepare yourself to the market, then colleges are better. Okay, let's talk about prices and departments. So they have business management and marketing. It's 3,600. And international hospitality management, international e-business commerce, business development and entrepreneurship, media technology, programming and internet technology, programming for fintech, game development. Another college, SMK College, SMK College, we call it. This is the oldest and biggest college in Lithuania. And they have really different departments like business creation and management, sustainable business and green technologies, future business and AI, international trade and custom logistics, finance and investment management, digital communication, video production and media, computer games and animation, programming and multimedia. And then we continue. General practice nursing, cosmetology, tourism and recreation, in international business. The others are Lithuanian, so no need to see them. Let's see the prices, how much the students needs to pay. So here the price, marketing and advertising, 3,500. So generally it is 3,500 euro. Okay, and video and other ones are a little bit expensive because of the tools they use it, and of course nursing. So, but this is like still affordable prices. So let's see one that sustainable business and green technologies, and here the what they will learn here. And this is the general information about the university. Okay, department, sorry. So is it this one? Yeah. And computer games and animation. So they have 3 campuses of office that this SMK College have the campuses at Vilnus, Klaipėda, and Kaunas. Klaipėda is a seaside. It's west of the Lithuania. Port city, and Kaunas is the previous capital before Vilnius. Now I will talk about VDU. It is sometimes VMU or VDU. This is the one of the biggest university in Lithuania, and they have a campus, but they have own dormitories on campus, on restaurants and cafeterias on the campus. So I really like the campus, what they have. And okay, the departments, what kind of departments we have here? And again, accounting, biogenetics, biotechnology, English philology, informatics, logistics and commerce. So this is the one of the good areas that they can study. This is one of the popular one. And here, this university, these are the rare departments that it's for us to find. It's not easy for us to find. One is music production and performing arts. Another one is sports studies, because they are becoming, you know, this coach and other ones. And pedagogy of, it's pedagogy of primary education. So this is the very hard to find. Okay, let's go one by one. This is the bachelor. For master degrees, we will see that. I will show you the one by one. So this is for performing arts. So if they want to be a performer, they select the specialization or instrument later on. and this is for 4 years, and per year it costs 10,425. So it is expensive than normal departments, but the equipments and everything is expensive. So that's when we discuss with UK and other schools, that's really still affordable one. So and this is music production. Again, it's 3.5. No, it was the 4 years. Now this is 3.5 years, and the prices are more acceptable. Okay, sustainable engineering. This is getting more popular and popular. So this is 4,800 per year. Sports studies, they have huge sports areas. I saw that they have a good opportunities. So it's 5,555. So they could be athletic trainer, personal trainer, coach. So these are very good options for them. And this is bachelor. Sometimes you find sports studies in master, but for bachelor, it's not easy. And this is biology and genetics, and 4 years and 4,300 euro. English philology, this is 4,100, and this is 4 years. Accounting and finance, and this is 4 years and 3,300 euros. So for accounting and finance, this is the one of the acceptable prices what we have. Now this is the master degrees we have. Okay, there is a lot of different master degrees too. Applied English linguistic, business logistics, custom process management, it's online, ecology and climate change, educational management, feature and media journalism, social anthropology, performing art, molecular biology and genetics, biotechnology, sports business, again, master. So these are the different programs that they offer. And molecular biology and biotechnology, this is 2 years, and it's at Kaunas and 5,538 euro per year. Sports management is 1.5 years in Kaunas and 8,000 euro. And this is online. It's 1 year, and the price is 4,606. So let's see what they have. Performing arts, but for master degree, it is 2 years and 10,400 euro. Okay, last one here. Educational management, 2 years and 5,538. So these is the professors that they are talking about. Okay, now another one is college, Kaunas College, and they have really nice library. I visited them too, and it is good university. If you really want to start a job as soon as you finished, so they are just giving you the practical information for the real life. So tourism and hospitality management, they are good, and nursing they're good. International business, oral hygiene, software engineering, and English for public relations and fashion design. These are the good universities that you can study here. Okay, and the prices are not very clear here. It says that prices are from 2,000 to 5,200 euro. And at least we know the two faculty price. Tourism hospitality is 2,000 euro. Nursing is 3,000 euro. So these are the expensive one, but they are, maybe oral hygiene is much more expensive. Tourism hospitality management is 3 years. So it's not 4 years, it's 3 years. Okay. And general practice nursing, it's 3.5 years. It's almost a university degree. And oral hygiene, you become a, assistant of dentistry, or just doing the oral hygiene. It takes 3 years. Fashion design is 3.5 years, and that's all. So these are the departments that we show as a sample, but they have in their they don't have the master degrees. They have only these areas that they can finish, and they are like counting as a maybe part of university degree, but not directly. But they could consider as a they graduated from university, but they are just working in the field directly. So let's talk about the best engineering faculty in my portfolio. And this is the bachelor departments, what they have. And they have 27 English departments, and they have 8 faculties, and 6 of them are completely related with engineering and science. So Faculty of Chemical Technology, Applied Chemistry, Biomedical Materials and Industry, and Food Science, Technology, Industrial Biotechnology. In engineering, and they have architecture. They don't have civil engineering English yet. And Faculty of Electrical and Engineering, they have automation, control, electrical engineering, electronics and electrical engineering, intelligent robot system, renewable energy engineering, and transport electronics. And for informatics, they have AI informatics. For natural science, they have engineering physics, nanotechnologies. And for mechanical, they have aviation, fashion engineering. This is the one of the rare departments that you can find in the bachelor. So they are looking for like the clothes that it's not fire clothes very quickly, that they don't catch the dirt. So they are more for research and development areas. So this is very nice place. In industrial engineering, mechanical engineering, and mechatronics. I mean, as you see that they have a mechanical engineering plus mechatronics completely different. And let's say arts, they have information management technology, new media language, and politics and public governance and civil society. At School of Economics, they have business digitalization management and economics. But for business, of course, you are better to choose Vilnus University. Okay. Let's, for example, get an example that which departments they have. Like, for example, what is it like? Talk about mechatronics and what's well used by industry, and these are the small information about the university and what you will have it, what you will learn it. And duration is 4 years. The price is for 4,108 English, so on campus. And you have the credits here, and here how they select the student. 40% from mathematics, 40% from physics, chemistry, biology, or IT or geography, and 20% of English. Let's go other one. And fashion engineering, that's my favorites. So how many years they have, so what you are doing, career opportunity. And let's see, it's 4,108. And let's say again, mathematics and physics and chemistry will be priority for them. Let's talk about AI. So they provide AI as a department. So that's the interesting one. Nowadays, it's getting popular, but as a bachelor degree, it's not easy to find everywhere. The price is same, 4,108. But this time they select 0.5 for mathematics, 0.3 for information technologies or physics, 0.2 is English. So renewable energy engineering, here you can see the price is 4,108. Again, the same price, and again the same with mathematics. Okay, and architecture. Let's talk about architecture. It should be a little bit expensive. Yeah, 6,000. So it's almost 7,000 euro. And 5 years. This is not a 4 years. It's a 5 years. And what they are looking to 50% entrance exam. So you need to have an ability to draw. So they will have an entrance exam. Mathematics and information technology or physics and English language. Okay. So and these are the master programs. So we talked about bachelor. So master is completely different areas that you can find. Food science and meteorology, industrial biotechnology, chemical engineer, architecture, sustainable energy and energy efficient buildings, construction management, structural building products, engineering, biomedical engineering, electrical power engineering, electronics engineering, energy technology, and economics. For IT, for Faculty of Informatics, we have only AI, intelligent computer science as a master. For Faculty of Science, we have intelligence, material physics, and medical physics. So when we have Faculty of Mechanical Engineering and Design, they have aeronautical engineering, industrial engineering and management, mechanical engineering, sustainable intelligent habitats, sustainable management and production, and vehicle engineering. So design for sustainable future. So these are the faculties that students can find and study. Let's see which faculties now I'm looking for. So this is the master sample vehicle engineering, and it says that what you learn it here, and it's 2 years, and the price is 5,538. Okay, let's continue. Data science and AI. So it's 1.5 years, and the price is 5,538. Same with GPA. They are looking for the GPA. And industrial biotechnology. So this is the area that they can study in master, and it's 2 years and 5,538. So this is the universities from Lithuania, and as Lithuania, we can say that it's a small version of Poland. It's more safer because they have less people there, and then it's very close to Poland. And what can I say? Very quality educations. And the when I start to talk with and emailing with the universities, I feel that it is much more easy to communicate with them. Okay, so for today, that's enough. I talked too much, and hope to meet you soon for the another universities and the countries and the informations. So we are expecting many students from you, and hope to see you soon, your students, and see you. Bye bye. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.